It's the year 2029, and an asteroid that scientists have been tracking for decades is passing close to Earth. The asteroid is about 3 football fields wide. Its name is Apophis, after the ancient Egyptian god of destruction. According to the latest predictions, Apophis won't hit Earth in 2029. But as it passes through a seemingly nondescript area of space nearby, the world's scientific community goes on high alert.
Astronomers have calculated a very small region of space, which if Apophis happens to go through that region, then it will be set up for a collision with Earth in 2036. In this very, very tiny region, which is less than a mile across, just a few thousand feet across, is called the keyhole.
An international cooperative of space agencies launches a rocket to take on Apophis.
Now, you don't want to blow it up with a nuclear weapon. First, that would take a lot of energy, and it would just produce a huge number of fragments all heading toward the Earth. What you really want to do is give it a bit of a push that slightly changes its trajectory. That way we don't get a collision.
But it's possible that the 30 million ton space rock could simply be too massive. The collision hasn't knocked the asteroid far enough off course. The impact in 2036 is thousands of times stronger than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima. The immediate crater is as wide as the island of Manhattan.
It would create a crater over 2 miles wide. If Apophis were to hit a city, goodbye to that city and the surrounding region for 100 miles.
From the shock wave, the blast, the winds coming out, from the impact ejecta, and from the massive earthquake equivalent that would occur, that would reach out and be felt over huge areas.
When Apophis was first discovered in 2004, the initial odds of an impact were about 1 in 37. But those odds have been dropping over the years, as scientists have obtained a better look at its path.
You can make the analogy that the orbit determination process is similar to predicting hurricanes. When a hurricane first starts out, you don't know exactly where it's going to go. And as you get more and more data in the next week or two, you can refine your predictions. And so it's very much like that with asteroids and comets. The more observations you get over time, the better you know where the object will be in the future.
That's why today's odds of an Earth impact, only 1 in 250,000, are so much slimmer than the original 1 in 37 prediction. But even if Apophis doesn't hit Earth, there's no doubt that something else eventually will.